On the eve of the expiry of the fourth phase of lockdown, the number of coronavirus cases, the upward trend continues. And in the last 24 hours, India has registered 7,964 fresh cases and 265 deaths. Now, many states are batting for an extension of the lockdown. So far, many relaxations have already been made for specific economic activities. Now, although some states are seeking more relaxations in the hospitality and entertainment sector, but many states like Haryana and Goa especially are looking for an extension of the lockdown. In fact, even if states are they want economic activities to resume within the state borders, they are not encouraging movement of people cross-border. Haryana recently sealed off its borders with Delhi because they attribute the rising number of cases in the state to people's movement from the national capital, which is now the second most, which has the second most number of coronavirus cases after Maharashtra, which continues to lead. So whether or not the lockdown gets extended remains to be seen, and of course a particular eye will be kept on the number of relaxations that are made this time around. And of course, many states are also seeking relaxations, further relaxations. In fact, even Karnataka, states that are dependent on the entertainment sector, they get revenues from tourism sector that includes businesses like restaurants and hotels, entertainment places like malls and markets. Apart from that, gyms also have been shut for the last several months. So these are the kind of places that some states are hoping for relaxations in. The relaxations will of course come with conditions of social distancing that have to be maintained, and the fact that perhaps these places will not see full occupancy. With a 50% occupancy, restaurants and gyms, they might reopen. At least some states want that. In fact, even religious places that have been shut so far, there may be some relaxations in their reopening. Some states want that to happen because some big festivals are also coming up. West Bengal, in fact, becomes one of the states to reopen, throw open the gates of religious places, be it temples, gurdwaras, mosques or churches in the state from June the 1st. That is what the Chief Minister there has decided. She said that not more than 10 people will be permitted inside these places at one time, and all norms of social distancing have to be applied. And her reasoning is that if trains can run during the lockdown, then why not restart religious places as well? And finally, the Railway Board has said that Shramik special trains that are ferrying migrant labourers back to their native places will be operating for as long as required. Although the demand, the Railway Board says, for these Shramik special trains is coming down gradually, but as long as they're required by any state, the Railway Board will continue to ply them. Also, the Railway Board is going to schedule these trains on the same day as they get the demand from the originating state, and they will try to run the train the very next day itself. That is what the Railway Board has assured. These are all the updates today. Thanks for watching.